Removing photos on your Canon R50 is quite easy. There's two ways of really going about doing this. You can press the play button on the back of your camera, and from there you can press the little trash can button. It'll ask you if you want to erase or cancel, and you can erase individual photos this way. Optionally, you can press the menu on the back of your camera and go to the gear icon or the wrench, and you have the option of going down to format the card. If you select this will also delete all the images on your card as well as format your SD card. Just simply click OK and you're done. All the images are deleted on your SD card. Okay, everybody. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Please feel free to join us on Discord, Facebook, and X. And if you can, please consider becoming a Patreon member. Also, if you're interested in what gear I use, those and all the other links can be found down in the description below.